on how to make a bibliography for social sciences. First of all, we use the word bibliography rather than works cited, which you might be familiar with in English class. We're going to center the title bibliography. This bibliography should start on a new page. Just as you have with the rest of your essay, you should have a standard 1-inch margin on the left and the right and the top and the bottom. You should also have a single-spaced page, just like you do in the rest of the essay. You should use a sensible font like Times New Roman, 12 point. And then the magic thing you need to do for a bibliography is to use what we call a hanging indent. Okay, so we need to indent the second and subsequent or following lines of every single source. And the easiest way to do that is to use this little tool on your ruler. So right now, your margin is set at 0. So this entire line of text matches up at 0. I'm going to highlight all of the citations that I have created for my sources. And I'm going to grab this little triangle. Do you see how there's a little triangle and then a little rectangle? These are two separate little tools, and when we move the triangle from below, it's going to take the rectangle with it. And we want to put that at 0.5 or half an inch, because the second and following lines of each citation needs to be indented. And this is what it means to indent. It's as though you took the tab key and went one space in. Then you're going to grab the rectangle on top of the triangle, but don't grab the triangle. So grab the rectangle by itself and move it to 0. Okay, that puts the first line of every citation right up at the margin, which is 0 inches. Okay, now make sure that every single source is alphabetized according to the letters that you see at the beginning of each line. So we know that T follows B, so we want to move these around. I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to make space here, and I'm going to add that, and I'm going to keep alphabetizing till all of my sources are in alpha order. That's what a proper bibliography should look like.